In a world where so much depends on the sun, organisms receive varying quantities of light and other forms of optical radiation. The photons absorbed can be useful, but also harmful, depending on their density and properties. Take UV radiation, which sits just below the colors of the rainbow. Since humans can't see it, we could easily forget about UV photons if they weren't so well known for their high energy and ability to damage DNA. But what happens to animals that do have UV vision, as is the case for many insects? How do they use it, and could we exploit it to our advantage? More and more studies are manipulating UV radiation to develop new integrated pest management strategies. UV lamps and filters can help kill, deter, or weaken insect pests like aphids and thrips. One potential problem: we know very little on how increasing or reducing UV exposure might also affect natural enemies like parasitoids. UV radiation could very well play a role in their potential as biological control agents. Hi, I'm Mathilde Gaudreau, and I spent the last few years studying the effects of UV radiation on the fitness and behavior of tiny parasitoid wasps that target the eggs of stingbugs. For my PhD, I examined different parts of their life cycle, conducting lab and field experiments that use long-term UV exposure, choice tests, and parasitism rate, among other things. Do parasitoid wasps need or use sunscreen? What happens when hosts and their parasitoids can't move away from potentially harmful UV exposure? Come learn all about it and more at the Rising Stars of Entomology Graduate Student Showcase.